You guys, my kid is a born Jamaican, a born foodie. Look at her with her first chicken bone. Her first chicken leg bone. Oh, you drop it! She's been working this chicken leg bone. Here. See it there? Put it. She's been working her bone. Look at her. I took it from her just now and she get mad.
Dans les arbres et aussi ça c'est les castors et aussi des grille-pains, mais le descendre des arbres.
What are you doing? You're funny. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, I did not send my baby to school this morning, my big baby that is. This morning when I woke up to get him ready for school, I saw one of his eyes red and swollen, so I know that it's the cold. Probably contaminate one of his eyes, so I decided that hey, instead of me sending him to school to contaminate his entire class, let's keep him home today. The good thing is that I have a doctor appointment for both of the kids this evening, so I would pick him up from school and head straight to the doctor anyway. So I decided that okay, fine, let's just stay home and go straight to the doctor in the evening instead of sending you to school. And if the doctor say you can go to school tomorrow, then yes, but if not, then you'll be staying home, because he doesn't look well in his sound and face, but physically he's still active and still acting his energetic self. So that's what's going on this morning. Baby's off to work. Hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated, and all that good stuff, staying positive most of all. I, on the other hand, is not sounding too bad this morning and is not feeling too bad. That's good. I am up. I am ready to clean up this place, make it fresh, get me some breakfast, get some work done, and head out to bring the kiddos to the doctor. However, it's raining. It's raining, y'all. It's raining. It's raining. So it will be a task, but we'll get it done. Baby's gonna meet me there, of course. But yeah, we have a few things to get done around here. So let's go. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Subscribe if you are new to the fam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. And I'll catch you guys along today's vlog.
I want to say good
Sarah, come say good morning to Faith Jam, brother.
I'm coming in first.
Come here. They can't see you. Say good morning. Tell Faith good morning.
Mama, I can't see.
You can't see. Oh!
Good morning.
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 Stand so they can see you.
Mama.
Say morning, Faves.
Morning face.
Why are you home today? Why are you not at school?
Because I'm going to the hospital and my eyes are swollen.
Right.
And
So you can
we
see
are-
doctor.
And we are going to see if my doctor say if every day I don't go to school, every day I don't go to lessons, or every day I don't go to gallery.
Alright, run along.
I want to help you.
No. Go and sit. You come to this child. You guys, the kids chilling watching TV, and I am going to whip up dinner real quick right now since they're giving me some time. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully Sarah will allow me to get it done. For dinner, I'm gonna make some shrimp fried rice. I have some rice left over from yesterday, and I have some shrimp here. So I'm just gonna whip it up for dinner real quick, so that way when we get back later, it will be nice when we get back. So when we get back, dinner will be in the house, so we won't have to stop at any fast food. Alright, let's jump into that real quick. You guys, my kid is a born Jamaican, a born foodie. Look at her with her first chicken bone. Her first chicken leg bone. Oh, you drop it! She's been working this chicken leg bone. Here. See it there? Put it. She's been working her bone. Look at her. I took it from her just now and she get mad. Give me the bone. Give me the bone. Can I have it? She held on to it, you know. Can I have it? Thank you. Oh, it's gone. She's not happy. You want back your bone? Here. Yes, Mama. Catch it. She's working her bone. Yes, Mama, work your bone. Man, I don't know if it's a Jamaican thing or every parents does this, but in Jamaica, parents look forward to giving their kid their first chicken leg bone, big bone like that, to hold and rub their gum on the bone. And Sarah's clean it off real well and then give it to her, and she's just working that bone. Guys, my day has been just go 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 go. I haven't get to talk to you guys much today. I'm at the doctor with the kiddos, headed inside right now. Yeah, tram. Tyler obsessed with the trams. See the tram? Yeah, his eye's not looking so bad. Come, let me see your eye. Let me show Fibs your eye. This one. Okay, so we're heading inside, waiting on Babe right now. And Sarah is here. Sarah is sleeping. I didn't even get to show you guys her little outfit. Look at her sleeping.
Mama, we never went to put.
Why are you shouting?
Never went.
Anyway, you guys, we're heading inside right now until Babe gets here. Go straight, straight, straight. Listen and follow instruction. Go, go, it's okay. Bonjour. Oh, look at the Santa Claus up there. You see Santa Claus up there? Go. Let go of the stroller and go. You know where you're going. Walk in front of me. You don't want to laugh behind like Kevin. Go straight ahead. Sorry. Go, 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 go. Mm-hmm. Press the elevator.
Up or down?
Up. Good job. This one. What number are we going?
Which number?
You know, 5.
5?
Mm-hmm. Good job. I see you.
See number 5. I see you.
I see you too.
I see number 5.
I see number 5.
I see number 6 and 7.
And 8 and 9 and 10.
No, not 8, 9 and 10.
5e étage.
5e étage.
Allez, go. You guys, we are back home from the doctor. My babies are doing well. My babies are growing. And they're not seeing Babe. Can you come a little bit around this way? My babies are growing.
You see me now?
Everybody's healthy. Yes, everybody's healthy.
Everybody getting tall.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's getting caught.
So Tyra grow a lot.
Pick up your spoon.
Sarah the same for the last month.
Good job, Sarah.
So yeah, Tyler takes 7 centimeters in the last 6 months, and Sarah took 3 centimeters in 1 month. So
Come.
that's good.
Come.
They're both healthy.
And Tyler got medication for his ears that's been hurting him and his eyes, right? Got for his eyes too?
He got for
Or
his
his
ears.
throat?
No, his throat. He got for his
Ears and his throat.
ears and
It's
his
only
throat.
that. It's only this here that had hurting. Only that.
Yeah, so we're gonna put.
Not in that one.
No, we're gonna put the medicine only in that here, okay? So the doctor gave you 3 medicine.
Come, Ty.
1 medicine to drink, 1 medicine for the hair, and another one just for one time.
So it's a good thing that I prepared ahead of time. I cooked before I left home. We just got home and we jumped right into dinner.
8 p.m.
Tyler also cleared to go to school. So he'll be going to school tomorrow. He's pretty excited. Because this morning he was so sad when I said to him no school today.
Yes, because I wanted to see my friends today.
He'll see them tomorrow. Come. So Sarah is also cleared to eat solids, but only at lunch, and she's cleared to eat
And
food
I
too.
want shrimp.
Puree. So it's time to make my girl food. But the technique the doctor said I'm to use is that whatever I'm starting her off on, I'm to give it to her for 1 week straight before I switch to something else.
To add slowly
Right.
different food, not to put everything at one mixing and it's like, for example, to put
So you see what she allergic
Carrot
to,
for a
or
week.
see what she like and what she don't.
so for a week carrot or any other thing. I think carrot is one of the ones that tastes good, so
Yeah.
can start with carrot and then next week add anything, spinach or
Broccoli or green beans or something.
it depends if we're gonna homemade it or if we're gonna buy it already made.
Come, Tyler.
You know what you
I
want to do?
remember when we started off with Tyler. Tyler first one was carrot and then broccoli, and we bought them. We didn't make it. I didn't start making Tyler food until when he got big.
What you plan to do for Sarah?
I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna make. I'm gonna buy.
If actually only have once a week, a day.
I'm
maybe you
gonna buy and I'm gonna make. Why I'm gonna buy too? Because when we're traveling on the road, I don't want to carry food that I cook and make it spoil. So I'm gonna give her both, just like I did with Ty.
Okay.
Only thing Tyler didn't get my cooking much when he was younger. But the buy is just to say she like it, so we can have it for when we're traveling, doing road trips. But once I'm home, she'll be having home cook. I'm gonna make it myself. You want to taste it? I'm gonna crush rice, put it in more.
Be bombay. Be bombay, bombay, boom.
Tailleur, ascoltami. Tu as table.
Anyway, you guys, as you guys can see, the entire family is home. So we're gonna finish it and start the kids' bedtime routine. Go to get bath, go to the book, and all that good stuff.